Well, it was really because I have so many people that come into the shop and ask me if I would share a recipe, whether it's on a cookie or a cake that we would make or that we'd sell, because they want to be able to make it at home. So I was like, that's a great reason for me to come up with a cookbook and start maybe putting all those recipes of what we make at the shop, so that if you want to buy one and take one home, you can make it for your family. So that was really my inspiration, is just being able to share the recipes with other people that come in and want to be able to make something like that for their family and their friends. Well, the recipes that's actually why it's taken me so long to get the cookbook made. Instead of having it come out this year, it won't be till next year, because every single recipe that I have, when I first started, I had a huge book full of recipes that I knew that I wanted to do, and I've been saving for years. And taking each and every one of those and getting them into a computer, and then making those so that the batch sizes would be large enough that we could make them in the bakery. So it went from being able to make it at home into making large amounts, like 40 cake layers at a time. So now I have to take all of those recipes and scale them all back. And that's what's so time consuming for me, because to be able to run the business, be in the kitchen all the time, working with employees, getting everything made and moving the brand forward and opening a second location, it's so time consuming for me. So I can maybe do about one recipe a week. That's kind of my goal. Some weeks I don't reach my goal, but some other weeks I do. So that, I think, has been the biggest challenge for me, is scaling back all the recipes that I have. They've all changed. They change all the time. Like, we'll come up with different ideas as to what else we could do to a certain cake that we have to make it taste better, or to change the flavor, or to keep it so that when it's in a bakery setting, that it actually holds up better, because they like move so fast that we make it, frost it, and sell it. And so we don't really have a lot of time for any of the flavors to sit, and because I think personally, when a cake sits for one day, it tastes better than it does when you frost it immediately. So we always try to manipulate whatever it is that we're doing with the flavors that we're using, so that the cake tastes the best that it can taste.